Hey, what's up, guys? So, this is another one for you guys. So, on this one, I'm going to go into depth with ACX. I know the last time I made the video on ACX, I was just introducing the website. So, now I am going to go into depth with it, and I am going to show you exactly how you can be able to do this job on ACX as a voiceover artist. So now what you can do is here, as you can see, that if you didn't see my first video, so I'm going to just go through this a little bit on where I left it before. So you know that ACX is a website where you can be able to make some money if you know that you have a good voice, or anyone for that matter, but I will show you as the video goes that it doesn't matter what kind of voice you have. If you're able to learn, able to just deliver what the publishers are looking for on their books, this is definitely going to be something that you can look into. So on this website, it's called acx.com. What is actually happening on this website is that they convert books into audiobooks, because not everybody now wants to be carrying some books. They just want to use their phones, buy it on iTunes, buy it on Amazon, Audible. They just want to listen on the go, because no one would just want to be turning up pages on their road, on their bus, on their trains. They just want to listen and gain some knowledge. So without wasting any time, guys, I am going to show you how you can be able to go on and do this. First of all, you're gonna have to sign up and be able to get into the website, and then once you're inside, you will want to come on to here. Are you an actor or a producer? So you're just going to click here, and then once you're in, so you're gonna see here, find titles open for an audition. That's where you're going to click, and then once you're inside here, okay, let me just move myself a little bit right here. Okay, so once you get inside here, you will realize that there are some books that are here, so you can just filter them in any way you like. You can filter them with the genre. You can just select any kind of genre that you want to be a part of, or at least the one that you are comfortable with and it better, and at least the audience that is going to listen to you, and that you're gonna deliver a good voiceover onto that audiobook that you're going to do. Is either romance, maybe if you get the sweet voice, maybe some keys, that your voice is very soft and very nice, so that the kid can understand you. Maybe health and fitness, language instructions, there's a lot you can do, and then you're just going to click the one you want, and then you apply, and then you can come here, compensation. You can see how much you can get paid, from a start. You can go from $50 into, it depends on how much do you want to be paid. I guess so. As I was saying, so you can see here that this these money that's here that you can be paid, it's unspecified. You can click that one, or you can just click the one that says $50 to $100, or $100 to 200, or this one says 400 to $1,000. So, and you can come here, you can get paid on a royalty share or royalty share plus. So I can explain a little bit on these ones. What does it say? So the royalty share plus, it only means that you're going to get paid some money just when you just finished the job, and then as time goes, you're gonna be getting paid on royalty shares, you know. And even though this one is a little bit risky, because if the book doesn't do as well as you hoped, you're not gonna get as good as the money, you know. And so that's how it is with the royalty share and share plus. But you can read more about those and then get some more information, because my job is just to give it to you, man, so that you can be able to just look around and see what works and what doesn't, you know. And then what you can do, you can come on to here. You can even filter it with fiction. You can do fiction or non-fiction, fiction or non-fiction, or you can come on to the accents. You can choose any accent that you like, whichever accent that you feel comfortable doing. You know, you can just do that one that you want. And then what you can do, the vocal styles, and I'm sure you can see the picture, you know. And then what we want now is how we can audition so that we can get the job. You see this one, it just got here, you know. These ones, they have about 2,758 title match your search. Sorry. You see, these are the available ones you can audition for. A lot of them that are here, you know. So we're just gonna check the first one just for demonstration purposes, you know. So we're gonna click on this one. So here, the estimated length of this one, it's just a 0.1 hour. I don't know, maybe this is 1 hour, you know. And then the words, oh, this is very short, you know. Word count is just only going to do about 986 words, and the budget is about $50 to 100, you know. The language is in English, you know. The book is going to be sold worldwide, and you can see here it's a kids book, and it was published on ACX on the 17th December, which is today, and this original published on the 1st of Feb is going to be published next year on 2021. The gender is male or female, whoever can be able to do it, but the audiobook is going to be for kids. And then you can come here for an audition, and then you can see how you can audition